This is the third day of delivering food in Portugal to save enough money to buy myself a motorcycle. Let's begin. I was walking through the trail and I found the dead end. And at the dead end, I got an order. And now I have to rush to my bike to continue delivering. Some guy went to the wrong side. There are cars waiting for him to clear. Getting old. I reached my bike. Now let's get back to delivering. It's 4 o'clock and I am not receiving any orders, so I'm planning to go home, eat something and come back at 6. I found another beautiful place. It's beautiful, beautifully beautiful. See a path down here, so let me go. Yes! Oh my god, oh my god. It's a beautiful place. Wow, nice, nice, nice. I'm definitely coming back here with my fishing rod. It's nice. I've reached home and I'm